You feel better that you like.
Want it down now?
Aww.
Okay. Little guy wants you to pay attention to him so you can fight him.
He's been doing all kinds of things to get Casper's
attention.
attention.
Look. He's doing it on purpose, though. He's so funny. Oh, Casper's not giving him the
Casper
attention.
wanted to make sure that he got some hugs in with his daddy.
I got beautiful hugs. That made my whole day.
It was so weird how you said that, and he came over and he did exactly what you said.
Well, I need that sometimes, from him especially, because he makes me feel, he's like ogre, a big old bear.
He is. And Snoopy's sweet too. Snoopy's a sweetie. Right, Snoopy? You sweetie? You're a sweetheart? The heck did... Whoa!
He wants to tug of war so bad.
Yeah. Lately, Casper's been giving in, though. I
He
wonder
does.
if his mouth hurts.
He doesn't have a lot of teeth, you know.